Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV30. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many Dyson SV30 users often report that their vacuum smells funny and loses suction. This unpleasant odor typically arises from a blocked filter or debris trapped in the machine. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage, reduced performance, and ultimately, costly repairs. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement filter. To begin, make sure your Dyson is unplugged to ensure safety while you work on it. Start by locating the dust canister release button, which is usually situated at the top of the vacuum. Press this button and detach the canister from the main body. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the cover that protects the filter. These screws are typically Phillips screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. Inside, you should see the filter. It is usually located near the motor and may be slightly covered in dust. Carefully pull the filter out, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old filter, take your new filter and insert it into the same slot, making sure it fits snugly. Once the new filter is in place, replace the protective cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this can strip the plastic. After securing the cover, reattach the dust canister by aligning it properly and pushing it back into position until you hear a click. Now your Dyson should be ready to go. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to clean or replace your filter regularly and ensure that the dust canister is emptied frequently to avoid blockages. If you notice any strange smells or loss of suction again, check the filter promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.